maybe coming home to the Philippines, maybe later part of this year. I'm actually going to be celebrating my 15 years in the industry, and I'm going to be having a concert at the Big Dome po, at the Smart Planeta Coliseum on October 28 po, and it is called Ember, and we'll be releasing tickets soon. And as of yesterday, we also just announced that Mr. Troy Laureta po is going to be my musical director and very special guest po in our show in Manila. Hopefully, we'll be able to bring it here, pero as of now, ngayon na wala pa, sana ay samahan niyo din po kami to celebrate all of that, but it's gonna be a very fun night. Para siya sa birthday yun.
Yes.
Thank you for the reminder.
Pero for the next song that we're gonna perform, sino po dito ang mahilig mag-TikTok? Meron po ba? Wow!
Parang ikaw yun.
Si Mami yung unang sumigaw.
Ano yung gusto mo?
Wow! Oh, madami
Ano natin yan?